upgrades and a wizard power at a time with upgrades. Single player results. this
make this
table.
video short and sweet. So I'm going to be working on the ultimate gaming screen. We're going to get this screen out of here, and we're going to start working on the new gamer screen, which is going to be a part of our new screen paint package, which is going to come with a brick of the LED lights that light up right now, the ones you're seeing right now. It's going to come with a 150-inch surface for you to paint on, and it's going to come with 48 ounces of the Dark Phantom. And this is going to be Dark Phantom 21, the Absolute Gamer Superior. So that's going to be available next week. I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm going to get back into some more of the pinball. I'm having a ball in here. Thank you for your time. I have to go, and God bless.